B-Yond is here with the rest of the panel exploring the impact of course, the pandemic on networks in general, specifically on bandwidth, on doing more with less, managing the network demand. It's a pretty common topic. For years, the demand has increased year on year. So what's the impact of the pandemic on this, and how has it changed the nature of the network? And furthermore, how can machine learning be used and applied to really benefit and impact how users experience the network? As an industry, it's terribly exciting. It's continuously innovating. And in the heart of innovation is sort of where our passion is. Moreover, when you look at the demand for technology and telecom, it continues to grow year on year in leaps and bounds. We're network engineers. This is what we've done since we entered the industry in most cases. We understand how this works, and we still see large gaps in the way automation by design is applied into telco. So in terms of what the typical use cases that we're seeing in the industry are, I think primarily we talk about two major factors about applying ML into automation by design. There are continuous assurance and continuous validation. And so in our view, we need to do several things in terms of how we operate networks. We need to drive in efficiencies and drive in automation, as I've said several times. We need to be able to shorten the life cycle of introducing change into network operations, in particular when it comes to introducing new products and new capabilities. Both of these things, Agile and net DevOps, are critical to success of telcos and the next evolution of their life cycle, in particular in the context of hyperscalers. As one flavor of argument about why this is critical, when we look at the way telcos have traditionally operated, it was really about ensuring zero failure. You talk about 5 nines, that everything was always up and running. Whereas the kind of mindset for the hyperscalers is designed for failure. Not designed to not fail, but designed for failure. And it's a different mindset that brings, unintuitively perhaps, but in the end, much better results. And so we need to change the mindset of how we manage our networks. We need to design them to fail. We need to even throw chaos in, as they say, to create failure so we can see how our networks operate. As such, we need much faster systems, whether it's people, processes, technology, in order to understand what changes need to be made to drive in that resiliency and then implement it.